In this video, we will learn what are the top 5 free, custom Post Type WordPress plugins for 2022. We have hand-picked these 5 free plugins for you, after reviewing several different plugins and different data points such as the age of the plugin, percentage of the active downloads versus total downloads, reviews and ratings, when was the plugin last updated, and most importantly, the utility of the plugin. Before we begin, I would like to inform you that CubeWP WordPress Plugin can also help you add custom post type, taxonomies, fields, and a lot more for free, but it will not be included in this countdown, as to avoid any biased opinion in our recommendation. So now let's begin the countdown for the top 5 free custom post type WordPress plugins for 2022, starting with number 5. WordPress Creation Kit. WordPress Creation Kit was released by Cosmos Labs in 2013. It has crossed total of 450,000 downloads in 9 years, but currently have only 20,000 active users. That means only 4.5% of users are still using it after downloading and installing it. Currently, the plugin has a very good rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on more than 95 reviews. WordPress Creation Kit lets you create custom post type for free without having to install additional plugins. It's not just a custom post type plugin, but it can also help you create custom taxonomies, custom fields, and meta boxes for your posts, pages, etc. For number 4, we have selected MB Custom Post Types and Custom Taxonomies. MB Custom Post Types and Custom Taxonomies was released by Metabox in 2015. This particular extension for Metabox has crossed total of 100,000 downloads in 10 years, but currently active on only 6,000 websites, which means only 6% of users are still using it after downloading and installing it. Currently, the plugin has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 based on more than 10 reviews. This is an extension for Metabox, which is one of the most popular plugins for custom metaboxes and custom fields in WordPress. Next, number 3. Pods. Pods was released by Pods Framework in 2012. This is one of the most popular plugins to create dynamic content website. It has crossed total of 2.5 million downloads in 10 years and currently active on over 100,000 websites. Pods has an excellent rating of 4.9 out of 5 based on more than 365 reviews. Pods Custom Content Types and Fields plugin also lets you create custom post type along with other content types such as custom taxonomies, custom fields, etc. Next, number 2. Custom Post Type UI. Custom Post Type UI was released by WebDev Studios in 2012. It has crossed total of over 11 million downloads in 10 years, but currently active on over 1 million websites. That means about 10% of users are still using it after downloading and installing it. Currently, the plugin has a rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on more than 250 reviews. Custom Post Type UI plugin will let you only create custom post type and custom taxonomies. Finally, the winner is Post Types Unlimited. Post Types Unlimited was released by WP Explorer in 2019. It has over 10,000 total downloads in 3 years and currently active on over 3,000 websites. That means about 30% of users are still using it. Even though the total number is quite low, relatively this has the highest active installs for custom post types. The plugin has a rating of 5 out of 5 based on 7 reviews. Post Types Unlimited plugin also lets you only create custom post type and custom taxonomies. So if you are on budget and needs a free plugin to create custom post types and custom taxonomy without coding, then you should definitely check out number 1 and number 2. If you also need to create custom fields and other custom content type, then go with number 3, 4, or 5 based on your need. One thing you also need to consider when picking these plugins is how they enable displaying data on the front end. Some might require to write code and other might ask you to purchase an extended version. The stats in this video was gathered from WordPress.org. Let us know what you think about our selection of these plugins and how would you rank them. If there are other free custom post type plugins that you recommend, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. This video is brought to you by CubeWP. To learn more about our products and services, please visit us at cubewp.com.